Using search engine more popular method of finding sites that than the use of directories. Especially web search engines take user-defined strings and Boolean expressions and returns a list of closely matched websites in the order of the closeness of match. The search engines periodically crawl through the internet looking for new prices and update their existing database. The frequency with which these engines perform updates and the range of their travel affects the number of sites indexed and the currency of the sites listed. When designing a web page, certain features can increase a site hit rates and ranking hit rates or the number of matches found between user requests and websites, while ranking is the assigned relevancy score given the search engine. The score directly affect the order of the list of a site relevance to other sites meeting the criteria. The below are some of the criteria with search engines index sites and rank them. Each search engine works a little bit differently, and that is why different search engines yield different results. The three common hypertext markup language tags are expected that may affect site ranking. The keyword tagging is used to identify keywords for search engines that use this information. The description text is the body of text that is returned by the search engine to describe the contents of the website and may use for ranking as well. The title is typically returned at the top of the listing returned by the search engine and also may be used for ranking. Directories services on the World Wide Web provide an index that list and provide links to websites. The sites may be listed in one of many ways, alphabetically or by subject, category or region. For those index listed by category, the registrant of the site specifies the category. The correct choice of a category is important because the user navigates through the directory and may not find the site if it is recategorized differently than expected by the visitor. Unfortunately, many directory services have multiple categories that can accurately list many businesses. Currently, websites can be registered at no charge at a number of directory services such as InfoSeek, Internet Mail, the Yellow Pages, and have registering with multiple directories is important in order to cast a wide net as possible and because users are traversing the net using many different directories. Many internet service providers that serves as a website host registering the sites with many of the directories as a service. Registrations. Currently, websites can be registered at no charge to a number of directory services such as InfoSeek, Internet Mall, the Yellow Pages, and Yahoo. Other directories such as Galaxy may charge a few. Registering with multiple directories is important in order to cast as a wide a net as possible and because users are traversing the net using the many different categories, many internet service providers that serves as a website host registers the sites with many of these directories as a service. Solicited targeted emails. Email marketing has become a popular medium because of its relatively low cost and the ability to send HTML messages containing the full color pictures of products as well as links to order form pages. The transmission of an email message to a solicited target list is a method used to attract visitors to a website that requires access by both the website and the visitor. This mechanism allows a business to maintain regular contact with customers and drive traffic to websites or other products. These types of arrangements are mutually beneficial and can be great information source for customers, users, and a wonderful advertising mechanism to help business unload unwanted inventory or notify interested parties of requested information. These type of relationships are typically initiated by the business offering an information service to its visitor. If the visitor is interested, he or she can sign up for the service. Because the user requests the information, this type of internet marketing technique is considered to be pulled by the consumer with the help of the website. It can also be considered to be push since site encourages the distribution of information and provides it. These type of activities includes email reminding the user of a family member's birthdays, an alternate form, an online stockbroker of a specific stock position, and notification that specific merchandise item has gone on sale from registered wish list. Interactive sites. Some sites may exhibit initiative to attract initial and subsequent visitors to their site by providing general information and interactive fashion, typically with the help of the generating goodwill with the visitor so that he she may use the site's service either or offline. An example of this 7 is the ability to visit a website and choose a page form, a coloring book to print for one child. Another example may be an attorney who has a web page with frequently asked questions about the certain kinds of legal services. The attorney may not sell anything tangible on the internet, but the site may allow visitors to receive free legal definitions that may be help them to better understand their own situation and determine whether they may or may not be needed attorney. The most popular form of online video advertising used to attract visitors to a site is banner advertising. 53% according to Internet Advertising Bureau IAB, typically rectangular in shape. Banner advertising contains text and graphics that are placed on the screen of search engines, web browsers, software, and websites to attract the attention of World Wide Web users. These banners are typically about 60 pixels high and 360 pixels wide, roughly 1 inch by 5 to 6 inches. They are generally click-through advertisement, meaning they contain hypertext links to the site about which the banner is advertising. The banner can contain a static text or animation. The click-through advertising is like no other form of advertisement in that the advertising can lead the potential customer directly to a transaction location close to the sale and record the direct links between an advertisement and its resulting sale. Banner advertising typically measured and priced according to spam mails. Even more aggressive tactics to attract customer is the sending of unsolicited emails advertisements to individuals or business that have never visited the sites. The email addresses may be purchased or traded with another business. Another method of obtaining email addressing use of software robots to scan the World Wide Web and collect addresses from a public source such as Usenet postings. Direct mail advertising have used this method for years, flooding the postal mail boxes with what many terms junk mails, the online equivalent of junk mails that is sent out repeatedly is referred to as spam mail. Spam is referred to as a postage due marketing because the thousands of messages, even millions sent to reside on the recipient's host computers and until they are detected and the storage of such messages cost business money. Mu- Multitudes of software packages exist that allow users to fit or to mail from sites known to send spam mail. Other methods of filtering are to filter mail with certain words such as for only dollar or free that are typically found in promotions. A legitimate message may contain these words and would filter as well as spam mail is viewed negatively by the public. Email chain letters. Another low cost aggressive advertisement technique used on the internet is email chain letters. Although not as prevalent as spam mail, they have emerged a cheap promotional tool designed to catch attention. Email chain letters typically require that a user visits a site and register for something such as a contest. For every person referred, individual gets to visit the site. They get one more entry into the content. Two internet companies, Jew Company and Exist23b.com, use this tactics. They both offered a recent a chance to win pre-IPO initial public offer stock. TravelingJew.com handed out to 7 lakhs shares and Exit23b.com promises to hand out 1 lakh shares. There is a cash. However, pre-IPO stock is worthless if the company never goes public as a as of the writing of this text. TravelingJew.com had no announcement of an IPO pending, and Exit23b.com had not yet launched its 5 P's of marketing: price, product, place, promotion, people, are the 5 P's of marketing. 5 of marketing mix product, functionality, appearance, quality, packaging, branding, warranty, service support, price, list price, discounts, allowances, financing, leasing options, place, channel members, channel motivation, market coverage, locations, logistics, service levels, promotion, advertising, partner selling, public relations, message, media, budget. People, people power, variable, contractors. A product is a good or service that a business offers to its customers. Without some sort of available product to offer, a business cannot survive. The component frequently mentioned in a marketing literature is a place in the production section of the customer-oriented value chain. Traditional physical goods generally have a physical tangible presence in and includes items such as automobiles, grocery items, and printed newspapers. Traditional service products generally involves the performance of a task for the customers. Examples includes work performed by doctors, accountants, hairdressers, and actors. Price. The pricing of goods service refers to the process involved in determining the amount to charge for a specific physical good or service. Pricing models are typically used to determine a firm's price. The firm strategy typically dictates the type of pricing model chosen, such as high volume, low price penetration strategy. Physical goods are frequently discounted if a large enough quantity is ordered. Because of the development of search engines, customers are easily able to compare development of prices of many goods offered for sale on only internet. Online actions are a popular method for selling items on the internet. Low minimum prices are typically set with the boundaries typically bidding the prices up to a fair price and interesting method of pricing goods and on the internet through the offers made by the consumer. Place distribution. Place is a frequently referred to as a outbound logistics or distribution. The distribution task essential moving the product from the producer to the customer. The product may travel directly from the producer to the customer, or it may be channeled through the intermediaries such as wholesalers, warehouse, and or retailers. Electronic commerce involving the sale of physical goods can be very useful in exchanging information between business and delivery companies. The interfacing of sales or purchasing systems with the delivery companies enables faster pickup of goods from warehouse and shop floors for faster delivery to the customers. The physical internet itself is also a delivery channel for digital products. Digital products are goods that are comprised of digitally encoded software data or multimedia files. Promotion. Promotion, the sale and marketing function is a separate entity in the customer-oriented value chain, and the activities performed in this capacity fall under the traditional marketing category called promotion. The successful promotion of a product requires that a minimum a positive message be received by potential customer. This message may communicate in many ways: paid advertisement channels, news stories, and press releases, word of mouth, consumers' personal experience. Personalization, the fifth P, the internet is leading to marketers to fundamental paradigm shift from mass marketing to personalized marketing. Databases, cookies, and telecommunication technology makes it is very easy and cost efficient to mass market personalized services. Personalization on the internet refers to the ability of customers to receive personalized information. Example, sales advertising or coupons or visit website with a home page customized for them. Personalization crosses the boundaries of two of the marketing pieces, production, promotion, because it has the potential impact on the enhance both. Banners. The most popular form of online advertising used to attract visitor to a site is banners advertising. 53% according to the Internet Advertising Bureau (IAB). The typically rectangular in shape banner advertisement contain text and graphics that are placed on the screen of search engines, web browsers, softwares, and websites to attract the attention of the World Wide Web users. These banners are typically about 60 pixels high and 360 pixels wide, roughly 1 inch by 5 to 6 inches. They are generally click-through advertisements, meaning they contain hypertext links to the sites about which the banner is advertising. The banners can contain statistic text or animation. Click-through the advertising is like no other form of advertisement in that the advertisement can lead the potential customer directly to a transaction location closely the sale and record the direct link between an advertisement and its resulting sale. Sponsorships. Sponsorships are another popular online advertising method. So 30% of the online advertising according to the IAB. Sponsorships are similar to banners in that a business gets to display a message, typically just a logo, on a site and click through the may be allowed. What distinguishes a sponsorship from a banner or two features? First, sponsorship typically allows the firm's banners to stay on a site for a longer period of time, perhaps during the pre-specified time slots or for a certain number of days. Second, sponsorship second send a message that the advertising firm believes in the company behind the website. Sponsorships are goods mechanisms for generating brand recognition. Fans sponsorshipping a website may pay a flat rate but requires a minimum number of CPM click-through. Portals. A portal is referred to a site that serves as the port of entry onto the web. Portals are designed to give web users the information they first enter World Wide Web. Web users customize the pages or option as well as customize news items and stock quotes. Further search engine indexes and engines are typically available. Portals typically sell advertising space on their sites. Portals are available for business to business application as well as, for example, Wisnet e-commerce portal is designed to exclusively for business to business. E-marketing. E-marketing, electronic marketing are also known as internet marketing, web marketing, digital marketing, or online marketing. E-marketing is the process of marketing a product services using the internet. Email marketing not only includes marketing on the internet but also includes marketing done via email and wireless media. It uses a range of technologies help to connect business to their customers. Definitions of e-marketing. Markets skates. E-marketing is a marketing that uses the internet as a manifestation media. Cisco. E-marketing is the sum of all activities business conducts through the internet with the purpose of finding, attracting, winning, and retaining customers. E-marketing is a mix of modern communication technologies and traditional principles that markets usually apply. When we talk about modern communication technology, this is electronic media, more known as the internet. In the real-time e-marketing, the terms of online marketing and internet marketing are usually interchangeable. Likely many other media channels, e-marketing is also a part of integrated marketing communications, which helps a brand grow across the different channels. E-marketing has become a pivotal top tactic in the marketing strategy adopted by the companies using the several digital media channels. Yes, of e-marketing. Internet marketing provides 24 hours and 7 days, 24 by 7 services to its users. So you can build and make customers relationship worldwide, and your customers can shop or order products at any time. The cost of spreading your message on internet is nothing. Many social media sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Plus allows you freely advertise and promote your business. You can easy and instantly update your registered customers or subscribers through email. Visitors or potential customers of your websites can get up to the minute information on each visit. If you are having a sale, your customers can be start shopping at the discounted prices literally as soon as they open the email. If a company has information sensitive business like a law firm, newspapers or online magazine, that company can also deliver its products delivery to customers without having to issue courier. Much better results on investments from that of traditional marketing as it helps increasing sales revenue. E-marketing means reduces marketing companies cost as the marketing is done through the internet. Fast results of the campaign as it helps to target the right customers. Easy monitoring through the web tracking capabilities help make e-marketing highly efficient. Disadvantages of e-marketing. If you want to a strong online advertising campaign, you have to spend money. The cost of website design, software, hardware, maintenance of your business rates, online distribution cost, and invested time all must be factorized into the cost of providing your service or product online. Almost over 60% of households nowadays shop online. While that number are continuously growing, your company needs to reach maximum people. Some people prefer the live interaction when they buy any product. And if your company has a small business with one location, this may be also better because customers from buying who lives on long distances. Your company should have update information on your site. This requires research and skill, and the timing of updates is also critical. Is your company well website secure? There are many incorrect stereotypes about the security of the internet. As a result, many visitors of your business website will not want to use their credit and cards to make purchase. So there is a fear in the minds of your visitors of having their credit cards uh, info stolen. Lack of personal approach, dependability, and technology, security, privacy issues, maintenance cost due to a constantly evolving environment or higher transparency of rising and increasing price competition, worldwide competition through the globalization. Types of marketing techniques. Search engine marketing SEM. This is a type of marketing that seeks to promote website by increasing their visibility in search engines, results pages. This is done through the use of paid inclusion, contextual advertising, and paid placements and search engines optimization. Blog marketing is internet marketing by way of web blogs. Blogs are different than corporate websites because they contain daily or weekly posting, many times around a single subject. Many corporations are use blogs to foster a dialogue with customers so that they can explain the features of their products and services. Email marketing. This type of direct marketing that user email to communicate commercial or fundraising messages to a unique audience. Emails are sent with the purpose of strengthening the relationships of the business persons with his previous and current clients to create customer loyalty. Acquiring new clients or convincing existing clients to purchasing something. Adding advertising sent by other businesses to their clients. Viral marketing is a marketing technique that create brand awareness by using network that already exist. Viral marketing increase brand awareness and achieve other marketing objectives such as product sales through sales replicating viral processes, analysis to the spread of pathological and computer viruses. Information can be spread by words of mouth or it can be enhanced by the network efforts of the internet. Viral promotion might be in the form of video, clips, ebooks, images, text messages, or brandable software. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is a term that describes the act of using social networks, online communities, blogs, wikis, and other collaborative internet forms of media for marketing, sales, publishing, public relations, and customer service. Common social media marketing tools including Twitter blogs, LinkedIn, Facebook, Flickr, and YouTube. Article marketing. Article marketing is an advertising in which business writes short articles related to their industry. These articles are made available for publication and distribution in the marketplace. Each article contains a bio box and byline that includes a reference and contact information for the author's business. Well written contents articles released for free distribution have the potential of increasing business credibility within its market as well as attracting new customers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an internet based marketing practice in which business rewards on the more affiliate for each visitor or customer brought about the ability to marketing efforts. Go marketing. Geo marketing internet marketing and geo-marketing are the methods of determining the geolocation, the physical location of a website visitor with the geolocation software and delivering customized content to that visitor based on their on his or her location, such as country, region, station, city, metro code, zip code, organization, internet protocol, IP address, ISP, or other criteria.